Good day, everyone. I am Monir Jaman Monir from Team Alpha SpaceX. The challenge we have taken is SDGs in classroom. SDC has a set of 17 goals focused on addressing global concerns. Our project is based on the goal of climate action, which is setting up a lesson on this topic. Why should we implement SDG 13 in the classroom? For the purpose of raising awareness early, fostering critical thinking, encouraging sustainable behavior, inspiring future leaders, and aligning education with global goals. Let's get started with the lesson. The name of the lesson is Understanding and Acting on Climate Change. Learning objectives. Knowledge. Students will understand the cause and effect of climate change, focusing on how human activities impact weather patterns and climate. Skills. Students will analyze climate data, identify trends, and propose actionable solutions to mitigate climate change. Attitudes. Students will recognize their role in collecting climate change and commit to personal and collective actions to support SDG 13. The materials we'll need for these lessons are access to computer and internet, tools like paper, glue, color pen for poster making, printed copy of climate change data like graphs and pie charts. Let's get started with the lesson. The first thing we need to know the difference between the weather and climate. Weather is the short-term state of the atmosphere. It can change within minutes or hours. Climate is the long-term pattern of weather. It is the average weather over many years in one specific place. Now, we move on to the reasons of climate change. The greenhouse effect. Gases in the atmosphere such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and chlorofluorocarbons let the sun's light in but keep some of the heat from escaping like the glass wall of the greenhouse. The more greenhouse gas in the atmosphere, the more heat gets trapped, strengthening the greenhouse effect and increasing the temperature of the earth. Human activities like the burning of fossil fuel have increased the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere by more than a third since the Industrial Revolution. The rapid increase of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere has warmed the planet at an alarming rate. Well, Earth's climate has fluctuated in the past, but atmospheric carbon dioxide hasn't reached today's level in hundreds of thousands of years. Effects of the climate change. Because of the rapid increase of heat, the melting of ice has increased. The glacier system looks very different from 20 to 25 years ago. The impact of this melting is the rise of the sea level, which results in flood in coastal areas which are hit with dangerous storms. Some other effects of climate change is the increase of forest fire and deforestation. Siberia, USA, Turkey, Greece, Italy, and Portugal in recent years have faced increase in forest fire. Because of this wildfire, forests have become extra vulnerable to deforestation. Global impact. Two common global impact of climate change is forest fire and drought. Local impact. The local impact we face in Bangladesh is increase in flood and drought. After this, we will have a question and answer session where we will take questions from students and provide practical answers. And we will move on to the data analysis session where we will have students do some group work. We will provide students with climate change data like impact of temperature, data of sea level increase. We will provide interactive tools like NASA's Global Climate Change Vital Signs of the Planet to analyze among themselves. We will have a brainstorming session where students can come up with ideas to combat climate change, a poster creation session to visualize their ideas, and finally a presentation session to discuss their ideas in the classroom. We will ask the students to personally commit to a task that will mitigate climate change. At the end of the lesson, we will issue projects to the students that involve both indoor and outdoor activities like spreading awareness, planting tree, putting trash bin inside the classroom and inside their campus area, and spreading the benefits of recycling. Thank you for your patience. This lesson will be in two parts consisting of 90 minutes. I wish you a good day.